Okay, hello everyone. So I'm gonna take y'all through a look at the refined web development framework that I've been working on. It's not much as of right now, but I'm hoping to do more with it in the future. So let's go into it. So up here we're gonna have the logo, of course, the name for your company. And then over here, I'm going to be adding social media links eventually, so that will be cool. And over here, we're going to have our drop downs. You click them to drop down, then click out of it to close it. But, and these are links, so you can add links inside of here. And then this is just a text drop down. And then this is another drop down, just like the first one. So here we have our column layout. This is how I was wanting to do it. And then have buttons, the different kinds of buttons. As you go over them, they kind of change color, so you um, know kind of if you're clicking on it or not. Here's where the buttons are smaller. Here's where the buttons are bigger. Links, different shading, coloring, the different alert boxes. This is different types of images, borders, circle ones, just the different kind of configurations you could do with images. I'm planning on creating more in the future, but we'll see how that goes. And then here we have our cards. This is just a very standard card. I'm gonna do one where the title is kind of in the middle and it's decorated a little bit more. Gonna go into our tables. Yeah, they're pretty self-explanatory, pretty standard. So then we'll head over to the actual code. So here is our actual HTML kind of page, what you're seeing right here. So yeah, that's about everything for this one. It's just calling custom class names that I'm going to show you all in a second. So if we wanted to go to, let's say, the navigation, so the way that I'm doing this is I'm running Sass to compile the CSS file. So up here we have our main navigation menu, give it a background, the configurations for the logo, image logo, the drop downs and everything, and then the styling for the nav item, nav content, navigation sub menu as well. And then for I've done that for every single one. So alerts are it takes a standard alert profile, and then on whichever alert we call, it will assign that coloring to that. So we've created all of these Sass files, and then you go over here. This is our style .sass file. This imports everything, and then it compiles it into our styling sheet. So whenever we go and add new features and everything, it will you'll add it to here, add a Sass file, add it to your Sass configuration file, and then it will automatically update your CSS file. Because having to navigate all of these lines of code is kind of time consuming. So like right here I have 920 lines in my styling sheet, and that would take a long time to go through if you're trying to find one specific thing. So whenever you're in development, you have these separate files to where if I wanted to work on the cards, just work on this one and it'll automatically update it in the CSS file. So that's kind of what I have so far. It's nothing much, but hopefully it'll get better I've also done configurations as well, so that whenever you're in tablet mode, everything kind of um, fits together. I don't have a mobile I don't have a mobile header just yet, but I'm going to be working on that. The buttons kind of navigate under and stack and everything. So I did add responsiveness to this, so that's pretty good. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I can dive more into these each individual sorry, each individual part separately, so that I can kind of break it down for y'all and show y'all exactly how it's working. So thank y'all.